In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Poco C71. Poco C71 is a entry-level Android smartphone from Poco. And the box of Poco C71 looks like this. Here you can see Made in India, Poco branding, Poco C71. And at the back side, you can see the features of this phone. Coming to the price mentioned on the box is 4 nines, that is 10,000. But I got this phone for approximately 7,500 at the time of launch. And the variant which I have ordered is 6GB 128GB variant. So without wasting any time, let's open the seal and open the phone from the box. Inside here is a Poco C71. Let's keep it aside, and we receive a SIM ejector tool. Here is a SIM ejector tool, and you will get a Type A to Type C cable, and you will also receive a travel adapter. The travel adapter of Poco C71 looks like this, and the quick start guide. And here is the phone. Let's remove the phone from the cover. This Poco C71 has a big display, that is 6.88 inch, and the back of the phone looks like this. So without wasting any time, let's turn on the phone. Press and hold the power button. Here you can see the Poco branding, powered by Android. I will go through the setup process quickly. Once the phone is booted up, the user interface will look like this. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Open settings, scroll down, click on about phone. Here you can see the device name Poco C71, and here you can see the Android version, it is 15. Go back and click on system and click on system updates. It will check if there are any updates. Let's open the camera app and let's take few photos. Open the camera app. Since it is an entry level budget phone, you cannot expect the camera quality from this phone. The photos from the rear camera are decent, whereas from the front camera not satisfactory under artificial lighting. Coming to the video, you can take only full HD videos with this phone. Here you can see that 1080 720p. This phone supports only full HD videos from the front facing and from the rear camera. Now coming to the physical overview of this phone has a big display, 6.88 inch 120Hz display, and it has a 8 megapixel front facing camera. And coming to the rear, it has 32 megapixel rear camera. The back looks like this, and here is the flash. Coming to the right side, you have the two buttons, volume rockers up and down and power button. At the top you have the speakers. On the left side you have the SIM tray. Here is a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Coming to the bottom, you have the headphone jack and Type-C port for charging. This is how the phone looks. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Poco C71. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.